Stick around to the end for a public service announcement. Atlanta has more than its fair share of traffic cheats. So what was the point of that lane change? Hey, look, I'm a motorist. Now I'm a pedestrian. Now I'm a motorist again. Yay! Bullnose violation. That lane change accomplished absolutely nothing. A little crisscross action. Hey, at least the driver used his blinker. Ever seen a phantom lane change? The classic dual turn fail. A lot going on here. First of all, someone's backing into bumper-to-bumper traffic. A motorcyclist takes the sidewalk. We have an automobile accident, and a pickup is blocking the lane, despite the fact that there's adequate parking to the side. I'm not sure this guy who's directing me can see around the truck. Further proof that no good deed goes unpunished. I let a driver in, I get cut off, and I miss the light.
Whoa, Nelly!
Now for a cutoff montage. And finally, watch this video clip carefully. Did you see the jaywalker? Unless you want to end up angry like this guy, I recommend that you use the legal crosswalks and wear reflective clothing. If you do this, maybe you won't have to change your underwear like this guy did.